we go, the beginning of the day here at the World Championship, Day 6.
Teleport from Amazing J is going to be cancelled as EDG. From Marn as he may clear this one up.
Jumping de la part de Beg. Beg met suffisamment de dégâts. Pendant ton temps, il reste Amazing J.
The 2-0 against EDG here for SKT.
Nothing picked up. Odwaldo solo in the front line. Ryu pushed back, but does it really matter? G4 caught up and down goes Yasuo.
He said it, right, probably?
Yes, he said it.
Yeah. You guys are stupid, and I'm getting triggered, and I'm gonna troll this game.
Ability to get something down, but Clearlove takes the Super Mega Death Rocket. Death is so dead.
Mina, Lolo die. Like, cover, Lolo. AD.
Okay, AD no kashi.
Nice.
EDG, after a comeback from 6,000 gold, pick themselves up a victory.
As SK Telecom chasing down Bang! The damage from Bang is insane right now. Double kill. Can he get more? Triple kill. It's another win for SKT. They're 5-0 in the group now. Needs one last fight. Amazing J goes in under Ryu. Ryu gets evaporated. Lulex running for his life. And Odoamne can't participate. H2K says, do you have a win? And EDG says, go fish. Lloyd, whoa! Can you say critical hit? Man, he rolled like 620s on that one. On the run, pops that ultimate. There's the grand challenge. No, that cow's got a family. He's got a herd. Oh, the humanity. SKT goes 6-0 in groups. GG.